Guess what? I'm back. So, video number 3 for tonight. So, if you watched video number 43, that was my failed Dutch pour slash deco art satin enamel. So, I didn't like it, so I scraped it. So bye-bye and cleared the board off, and I'm gonna just start again. Not with the satin enamels though, just gonna do a regular Dutch pour. If you saw video number 44, which is the one prior to this one, I did a 10 by 10 canvas. The first attempt was horrendous, at least I thought so. So I scraped it and did it again, and I could not be more thrilled with the results. So I'm gonna do it again, but instead of using the hairdryer, I'm just gonna blow it because it's a smaller size. This is an 8 by 8. Excuse me, guys. And I want to see the difference between blowing it with the hairdryer or blowing it with my lungs that don't seem to be working very well because I'm sick, but I will try anyway. So let's start again on my lovely scraped cradle wood board here. I just couldn't keep it, honestly, guys. Like, I mean, it really did not look good. I think I took a picture of it, and I think I'll put it at the end of the video. I'm pretty sure I did, or I will. But I really didn't like it. And if I'm not happy with it, I'd rather get rid of it and start again because I don't want to waste canvases, or in this case, a board, because they're not cheap. The boards aren't cheap. So, yeah. All right, pop my bubbles. And let's have at it. So I'm gonna try all these colors again. No particular order at all. So I really loved the way the other one turned out. So I'm gonna try it again. And I don't know what order I did everything in, so it is what it is. And I have lilac purple this time, so I'm gonna add that. And I think I put too much blue, but can't go back. I got neon pink, so that should be interesting. Neon pink. Let's go with, what is this, primary blue. Some primary blue. Put them here at the side so I know what I've used. Neon green, or iridescent green, green yellow, that's what it is, from Pebeo Studio Acrylics. Might as well finish that off. All right. Let's do dioxazine purple. There we go. And I still have a smidge of this antique, gosh, I wish I had the bottle with me, but it's in the basement. It's either antique copper or, it must be antique copper. Anywho, it is what it is. So pour that right there. I really love this color, and it's from, oh gosh, I don't remember. Deco Art, Craft Smart, one of those. Anywho, what's next? I won't put too much more because I'm already hitting quite a bit of colors here. Turquoise. And a little bit of yellow. What the heck? A little bit of orange. Yeah, whatever. Oh, a little bit, and then I end up pouring more than I want. And we will top it off with phthalo blue. So there you go. What did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors. So yeah, you know, 10 colors. Let's, not too much white. I think my problem is sometimes I add way too much white, and that's my biggest problem. So, torch all the bubbles. Let's blow it over. All right, I already got some cells going on in there. So let's blow it out and see what happens, but I'm kind of off-centered, so I want to turn it around and blow this way first, try and get it back to center. All right, let's see what happens with this, and hopefully second time's a charm, just like the last one. Wow. Holy smokes. I'm telling you guys, random colors just seem to work. Loving the purple. Wow. That's really pretty. So this is where all the orange and the phthalo blue went. I'm telling you guys, I gotta figure out what that is. Like, I mean, I can see it here, 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 and here, and it just shimmers. It's unbelievable. It really is. So let's torch it. And it's going off the edge, and I hate that. That drives me nuts, because when the rest of it's not off the edge, I don't like that that's running off the edge. So let's try and stop it by doing that, and hopefully that helps. There. Wow. This part here is my favorite. It all looks metallic to me. That's so cool. Look, it's still running. It's going. It's heading for the hills. All right, let's see if I can get it to stop. There we go. So this is what I mentioned in my previous video. If you scrape, in this case it's the sides, but usually it's the bottoms, but because I have the sides taped, if you scrape the bottom or the sides, in this case, it'll stop the paint from flowing over. So let me just add the white again, and then I will scrape it, and that'll stop the paint from going over. And I'll just keep my eye on it, and every time I see it coming over, I'll just scrape it a bit more until it stops going over completely. See, it's going over on this side too. You can see. Try my best to keep it from going off the edge. But there it goes, without ruining it. Sometimes my finger's easier in this case. So yeah, if you just make sure you scrape your edges or your bottoms, bottom of the canvas, not your actual bottom. That sounds so funny. It should prevent it from pulling the paint off the edge. So I'm going to keep my eye on this for the next, little bit, and continue to do this to it it's tedious, but if you want it to dry, like, I mean, I'm not saying it's not gonna go over. I'll do my best to prevent that, but I don't think I'm gonna succeed at this point because it's going back over. Oh, look, a Juno hair. Surprise, surprise. My little boy has made it into this painting. All right, there we go. Holy smokes. All right, so this one turned out good. So there we go. Holy cow. I'm just sitting here admiring it. I'll bring you guys in for a close-up because you guys are probably like, I want to see it too. Yeah, it's going over, guys, so I might not be able to do anything about that. I don't want to tilt it because then this side will go over. So it is what it is. Oh well, I'm not going to fidget with it. It is what it is. Let me bring you guys down. Let me clean my hands first. All right, let's do this carefully. All right, there we go. Where are we here? Backwards. Backwards angle. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, guys, seriously. What do you think about that? This is my favorite right there. This little part right here. I love it. So there it is. Let me know what you guys think. See, I'm really glad I actually ended up scraping the failed Dutch pour. So let me know what you think. Love to read all your comments and all that fun stuff. So give it a thumbs up if you like this one. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell. You know, all that same drill. Check out my Etsy page. And as usual, if you'd like to support me in my art adventures and you'd like to help donate so that I can buy supplies and stuff like that and keep these videos going, feel free to hit the PayPal link in the description below. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all the love and support. And that's it for tonight. 3 videos is my limit. I'll be back maybe tomorrow or the next day and I'll do some more. So thanks, guys. Love you guys. Talk soon. Bye.